Thank you for joining CTEK on this most exciting day. I'm Bobby Dumel, Executive Vice President of North America. We are proud to announce the revolutionary CS-free portable charger with adaptive boost is now available for pre-orders in North America. Innovation is at the heart of everything we do. This and valued insights from our Voice of the Customer studies has resulted in game-changing technology, giving freedom from power outlets and getting you going quickly and safely from a dead battery. First launched earlier this season in Europe, we have received fantastic feedback on it already, including being awarded the prestigious 2021 Product of the Year Award from Auto Express. Now I would like to introduce you to my colleague Leo Seitz to present the CS-free portable charger with adaptive boost and full line of accessories.
Thank you, Bobby. My name is Leo Seitz and I am the support technician for CTEK North America. Today we're going to cover some key features of our new CS-free portable battery charger and maintainer with adaptive boost. First, CS-free is truly a portable product. Once the CS-free internal battery is charged, you can use it anywhere to recover a flat battery. It's fully automatic, so there are no modes to set. And it's designed for both 12-volt lead acid and lithium batteries. The CS-free is the first battery charger to feature adaptive boost technology, which means this charger will analyze your 12-volt vehicle battery to determine the safest way to charge it and get you back on the road within 15 minutes. Modern vehicles are not designed to receive the high levels of unregulated power that you see with traditional boosters and jump starters, which can damage the battery or your vehicle. The CS-free protects your vehicle by only delivering the power your battery actually needs, so it's completely safe. The large LED circle display will notify you when there is enough power in your battery to start your vehicle. CS-free is also a smart charger and maintainer. With a power source, it can be used indefinitely to keep your battery maintained. Without a power source, CS-free will maintain your battery until its internal battery is discharged. A neat countdown display shows you how long there is left until your battery is fully charged. The internal battery in the CS-free can be charged in many different ways using optional USB-C charging accessories. The AC adapter lets you use the unit as a traditional charger and maintainer when plugged into a power outlet. The 60-watt solar panel is perfect for use outdoors if you want to charge off-grid. The USB-C clamp can be used to draw power from a separate service battery through the CS-free to your vehicle battery, making it great for vehicle storage where you don't have access to a power outlet. You can also charge the CS-free while driving your vehicle using the USB-C 12-volt accessory plug. The small LED circle display provides charge status of the internal battery within the CS-free. And finally, CS-free is also a high-tech power bank that includes a USB-C and a USB-A port, which can be used for charging cell phones, tablets, cameras, and other electronic devices. Those are some of the key features of the new CS-free portable charger, maintainer, and adaptive booster. Bobby, back to you.
Thank you, Leo, for describing the multifunctions of the CS-free. Meet three of CTEK's friends, Frederick Asbo, Amber Turner, Sean Davis, and see how they use the CS-free.
What's up, guys? Frederick Asbo here, professional drift driver, but today we're not at the track. We are at a California beach, and we'll be talking about CTEK's new offering, the brand new CS-free. This is a portable adaptive battery charger and a power bank all in one. And this can not only jumpstart your truck or your car, it'll charge your electronics, your phones, your toys, whatever it is that you're bringing with you. It comes with a USB-C charge port. It has USB-C and USB-A outlets right here to charge old and new electronics. On to my favorite accessory for the CS-free, the solar panel. It's really sturdy and durable. You can actually step on this solar panel. It takes a lot of abuse. You can bring it with you in the desert, anywhere you go. And all you do is you just plug it in to the USB-C plug here, and then you'll see it'll start charging immediately. I'm super excited about this product. This will be my companion anywhere I go in the world.
Thank you, Frederick. Glad to see that you're utilizing all of the CS-free charging ports.
Hi, my name's Amber Turner. I am the driver and owner of Car 468, the 4600 stock class Suzuki Samurai. I race King of the Hammers and other Ultra 4 Series races. Not only do I race the world's hardest one-day off-road race in this tiny rig, but I also take it trail wheeling and wreck wheeling just about every weekend in the summer. The CS Free comes in mega handy when I'm out off-grid and someone else's battery goes dead, my battery goes dead, my phone battery goes dead, a camera goes dead. And the great thing about it is that I've also got the solar panel, so I'm give or take a couple hours away from having power again, which is terrific. Last weekend was the event that me and my friends run called ZukiCon on the Rubicon. It's a 3-day trail ride geared towards Suzuki enthusiasts, but we're out there for 3 straight days, and you know, sometimes people's batteries go dead. Somebody needs a start, so I got my best friend hooked up a couple times. I actually handed it to him and said, here, you can hang on to this for the rest of the trail, because his battery kept dying. And it's something I didn't really realize until recently, because I drive such an old rig, there's not a lot of computers on board. But I do have a brain that runs all my lights and all my sirens, and that is something that would be affected by a poor battery charge. So having the peace of mind that this CS Free can read my battery, find out what's wrong with it, and charge it accordingly so that I've got optimal power going to my lights, my sirens, which are also, by the way, an extremely important part of my rig. So having this thing on board, having a constant, reliable power source is what I'm all about. And like I keep saying, it's just a huge peace of mind having off-grid. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Amber. Glad to hear that the CS Free gives you peace of mind when you're off-road.
Hi, my name's Sean Davis from Autotopia LA. Along with doing our YouTube channel, as you can see here, my main business is doing vehicle storage. I use CTEK chargers exclusively to maintain all the batteries here at my shop. But I've got to say, with this new product of theirs, the CS Free, they're truly changing the game in the world of battery charging, battery maintenance, and adaptive boost. All right, so what we're looking at here is the CS Free, which is the first in the world of wireless battery maintaining, battery charging. So if you're not close enough to a wall outlet, but you need to maintain the battery on your vehicle, you can do that. You can also charge devices off of here through USB or USB-C, your computer, your phone, whatever device you need to charge up. Where it gets really exciting with this wireless unit though, is let's say you're out in the middle of nowhere. You're off-road, you're camping, you're somewhere far away from any form of electricity. You're able to not only charge all of your devices, but you're able to use adaptive boost, which is, should your battery on your vehicle go dead, this has adaptive boost. You hook it up to your battery, and over the course of 15 minutes, it's gonna put enough charge back into your battery to get you started, rather than doing the traditional jump pack, which is gonna put a shock to the system. Now, it gets even better, especially if you're out in the middle of nowhere. Let's say you've used your CS Free and it's out of charge, it's completely dead. There's a solar panel to hook up to, and over a short amount of time, it'll allow you to completely recharge your CS Free and be back to charging your devices, back to having the ability for adaptive boost and maintaining your battery while you're out in the middle of nowhere. Truly a game changer in the world of battery charging, battery maintaining with adaptive boost.
Thank you, Sean. Great to see that the CS Free portable charger with adaptive boost is a welcome addition to your vehicle storage and beyond. Thank you, Sean, Frederick, and Amber, for showing us how you use the CS Free for portable charging, maintaining, adaptive boost, and power bank. To pre-order your CS Free, go to smartercharger.com. Be free and charged for your next adventure.